When you fall for a Scorpio man, get ready for an exciting ride. Scorpios are the 8th zodiac sign known for their outgoing and charming personalities that draw people to them. Connecting with them can be tricky because they can be warm one minute and distant the next, making you feel like you're always the one making an effort. But don't be discouraged. Underneath their tough exterior, Scorpio men are sensitive and trustworthy partners. Stay with me as I reveal the different ways in which you can win the heart of a Scorpio man. Exude confidence. Confidence is a trait that Scorpio men find really attractive. These guys are drawn to women who have a strong belief in themselves and who feel comfortable in their own skin. This is because Scorpio's ruling planet, Pluto, is all about power, confidence, and authority. When a woman is confident, it's like a magnet for Scorpio men. They think it's very sexy. Imagine a situation where a Scorpio guy meets two women at a party. The first woman seems unsure of herself and doesn't speak up much. The second woman, on the other hand, walks in with confidence, talks to everyone, and isn't afraid to share her opinions. The Scorpio man is more likely to be interested in the second woman because of her self-assured attitude. Scorpio men admire women who not only talk confidently, but also take action to achieve their goals. They like women who are determined and don't let obstacles get in their way. However, don't fake it because they can tell when someone is genuinely confident versus pretending, thanks to their strong intuition. Let him chase you. Traditionally, men enjoy the thrill of the chase. It's a natural part of who they are. This instinct comes from their ancestors who hunted for food and provided for their families. Even in today's world, this drive is still alive, especially in a Scorpio man. If he's falling for you, he would actually enjoy a bit of pursuit. It could make him like you even more. It's okay to be a bit mysterious or distant at times, like saying you're busy and can't see him right away. This can actually make him more interested in you. Scorpio men prefer when things develop naturally, without feeling like they're being chased. If you seem too easy to get, he might question if he deserves someone who's more of a challenge. It's important to have your own life outside of the relationship. Don't obsess over getting his attention all the time. Let things unfold naturally and focus on your interests and goals. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is not only important but also attractive to a Scorpio man. Boundaries show that you value yourself and demand respect from others. A Scorpio man won't be with someone he doesn't respect, so having clear boundaries is key. Deep down, these men are intrigued by women who have high standards and firm boundaries. This is because such women challenge them to be their best selves. They enjoy the thrill of rising to meet these standards. Scorpio men are known to test people's boundaries, so if you can stand firm in yours, he'll be even more intrigued by the challenge. For example, if you establish that you won't tolerate certain behaviors, he will see it as a test of his character to meet your expectations. Ultimately, setting boundaries not only shows self-respect, but also keeps the relationship healthy and respectful. Be intellectually sound. To a Scorpio man, there's something incredibly attractive about a woman who feels at ease in social settings and can have meaningful conversations on complex subjects. They don't like small talk. Instead, they prefer discussions that delve into deeper subjects and personal experiences. They appreciate it when a woman is open to exploring controversial or unconventional topics. They will want to be around you if they can talk about interesting and profound topics like psychology, the mysteries of life and death, or the supernatural. This is because the Scorpio zodiac sign is associated with uncovering hidden truths and understanding complex human nature. When you show genuine interest in these deeper topics, it signals to them that you accept and appreciate their complexity. It encourages them to open up and share more about themselves. Be trustworthy. Trust is extremely important in any relationship. It's like the foundation that makes a person feel secure and happy in their relationship. Scorpio men can find it challenging to fall in love because they often struggle with trusting others. To earn a Scorpio man's trust, you need to be completely honest with him. Water signs like Scorpio value honesty a lot, so if you're not truthful with him, he may start to pull away from the relationship. When you trust each other, you feel safe knowing that your partner will always be there for you, providing comfort, care, and support. Don't try to sugarcoat things or tell half-truths, even if you think it might spare his feelings. Being straightforward and truthful will help build a strong foundation of trust between you both, making your relationship more secure and fulfilling. Compliment him. Giving compliments to a Scorpio man can make a big difference in your relationship with them. Often we think a lot about complimenting women, but everyone likes to feel appreciated by their partner, regardless of gender. Men also enjoy receiving compliments, just like women do. Scorpio men, in particular, love hearing compliments from the person they care about. You can compliment him on different things, like his personality or even how he looks, and he'll really like it. When you give a compliment to a man, it can feel affirming and boost his confidence. Scorpio men not only enjoy the compliment itself, but also like that you've noticed things about them and are showing interest in them. However, it's important not to overdo it. When compliments are sincere, he'll see that you genuinely appreciate him, rather than just trying to flatter him. Knowing how to win a Scorpio man's heart, I'm sure you would also like to know how to know if a Capricorn woman is into you. Click on the image and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.